If Firefox keeps crashing on your AMD device, especially when you're watching videos, streaming, or just trying to browse normally, this guide is going to walk you through the quickest fixes step by step. We're going to adjust Firefox performance settings first, and then, if the crash is still happening, we'll go a little deeper into advanced media flags using about config. This is a simple, practical troubleshooting method, and it can save you a lot of time compared to reinstalling everything right away. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Alright, let's start with the basic Firefox settings. Open Firefox, then go to the menu button in the top right corner. That's the icon with the 3 horizontal lines. From the menu, click Settings. Once the settings page opens, use the search bar and type performance. This makes it faster to find the exact area we need without scrolling through every single option. Now scroll down until you reach the performance section. This is where Firefox controls how it uses system resources, graphics acceleration, and background optimization. In some AMD setups, those features can sometimes cause instability, so we want to test with them turned off. First, uncheck Use Recommended Performance Settings. As soon as you disable that, Firefox will reveal more manual options below it. Next, uncheck Use Hardware Acceleration when available. This is one of the most important steps because hardware acceleration can sometimes trigger crashes on certain AMD graphics drivers or specific system configurations. Once both of those options are turned off, restart Firefox. Closing and reopening the browser is important because the changes won't fully take effect until Firefox starts fresh. After the restart, test Firefox again and see if the crash is gone. If the problem was caused by performance or GPU acceleration, this alone may fix it completely. If Firefox is still crashing, especially when you play video, open streaming sites, or load media-heavy pages, then we'll move on to the advanced fix using about.config. This part changes specific media decoding flags that can help on AMD devices when video playback is the trigger. Click the address bar at the top and type about config, then press enter. Firefox will show a warning message telling you that advanced settings can affect stability and performance. That's normal. Click Accept the risk and continue to proceed. Now you're inside Firefox's advanced configuration page. In the search bar, type media.hardware-video-decoding.enabled. When you see that preference, change it to false. This disables hardware video decoding inside Firefox, which can stop certain AMD-related crashes caused by media playback. Next, search for media.ummf.vp9.enabled. If that option appears in your version of Firefox, set it to false as well. VP9 playback can sometimes create issues on some systems, so turning it off is another helpful test for AMD users dealing with browser crashes. After changing those settings, close Firefox completely and open it again. Then go back and test the same video, site, or page that was causing the crash. If Firefox is now stable, you found the likely cause. If not, you may need to update your AMD graphics drivers, check for Firefox updates, or test the browser with a clean profile next. The key takeaway here is to start with the simple performance settings, then move into advanced media decoding options only if you still need to. That way, you're fixing the problem in the safest, fastest way possible without making unnecessary changes. If this tutorial helped you fix Firefox on your AMD device, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps support the content and lets me make more quick troubleshooting guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.